Hello, I'm Rebecca Bickham, editor of Materials Performance Magazine. And joining me today is Tim Hurley, Senior Product Manager at GPT Industries. Hi, Tim. How are you doing today?
Hi, Rebecca. I'm great. Thanks. Thank you for having me.
So, Tim, I understand that GPT introduced the new Evolution Isolation Gasket earlier this year, and it's got a groundbreaking design for the oil and gas industry. Can you tell us a bit about it?
Sure, absolutely. For 40 to 50 years, the isolation products have typically been plastic-based, glass-reinforced epoxy, or phenolics. And so this product is metal-based. It's 316 stainless steel with a coating, isolating coating on the outside. So that's kind of revolutionary as a gasket. We've been making coated isolation washers for a number of years, so we have history there. And it ends up being a fantastic product for isolation.
So you say this design is 100 years in the making, adapting to changes and challenges within the oil and gas industry. Can you tell us a bit about the evolution of the oil and gas industry and why there's a need for a more evolved gasket?
Sure, I would love to. So as time has gone by in the last 100 years, consumer demand for oil and gas has just increased more and more and more. And for oil and gas companies to keep up with that demand, they've had to drill deeper and farther than ever before. And what they're finding is there's higher pressures as we go deeper. There's more temperature. So we're seeing ultra high pressures, ultra high temperatures, and the GRE-based plastic isolation kits just aren't keeping up with those temperatures and pressures. Also, steam is being used for fracking. It's being used for enhanced oil recovery. And steam actually hydrolyzes the plastic or the epoxy-based isolation kits, may turn to mush. So it really causes a problem with corrosion.
Well, that's one thing that doesn't change, right? Corrosion.
Unfortunately, you're right, Rebecca. Corrosion doesn't stop, but our engineering group doesn't either. And so they keep working on better products. One of the things that we're finding is that in addition to the other problems, the pressure, the temperature, the steam, we're seeing more and more chemicals in pipelines today. So that's changed also. We're seeing antimicrobial agents being added. We're seeing drag-reducing agents being added. We're seeing hydrogen sulfide because as they go deeper and further, we're seeing sour gas. And all of these are attacking these plastic-based GRE products. So our engineering group has seen more failures as of late because of this.
Well, it sounds like GPT has engineered a solution, gasketing that has evolved along with the needs of the industry.
We truly have. So the Evolution gasket, and we talked at the outset about how revolutionary it is. It solves all of the problems that we've talked about so far. So the pressure issues are gone away, the temperature issues, the chemical, the steam, all of those are history. They're not a problem. In addition to that, the Evolution product also has other benefits. So one of the biggest problems with installing isolation gaskets is the actual installation itself, and it's the number one cause of failure. So the Evolution gasket is 1/2 the thickness of a standard GRE-based gasket. So it's easier to install. And then so many companies are trying to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions, and Evolution seals many, many, many times better than a plastic-based GRE gasket. And then finally, it's fire safe. And everybody, I'm sure, wants a fire-safe product for their oil and gas pipelines.
Thank you so much, Tim. To see what sets the GPT Evolution Isolation Gasket apart from the rest, visit www.gptindustries.com.